Friends, today we will discuss about VED analysis, another technique for material control. In our previous video, we had discussed about stock levels and just-in-time technique. This is one such technique for material control. So let's look into the details of VED analysis. VED analysis is done by classifying the materials based on the essentiality or criticality to the production. VED, where V stands for vital, E stands for essential, and D stands for desirable. VED analysis is very useful to categorize items of spare parts, lubricants, oils, and such like. The criticality of an item may be of two types: technical and environmental. While exercising control, greater attention should be paid to vital. V for vital. Vital category items are those items without which the production activities or any other activity of the company would come to a halt or at least be drastically affected. E for essential. Those items whose stock out cost is very high for the company are the essential items. These items, when demanded and are not available, reduces the efficiency of the system. D for desirable. Those items whose stock out or storage causes only a minor disruption for a short duration in the production schedule are the desirable items. The cost incurred is very nominal. Now let's quickly get into the kitchen. While preparing the food, the material salt, as per VED analysis, comes under which classification? I'm sure by now you might have got the answer. Now, how does VED analysis help to control the inventory? It actually attempts to classify the items used into three broad categories, namely vital, essential, and desirable. The analysis classifies items on the basis of the criticality of the industry or the company. I hope the concept of VED analysis is crystal clear. Please do share your comments. For more updates, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.